We've all felt the heavy weight of loneliness, anxiety, or depression at some point in our lives. It's hard, right? No matter how successful, strong, or composed we might look on the outside, these emotions can take a toll on us. But did you know that the Stoics, those ancient philosophers we often think of as just detached thinkers, had powerful methods for dealing with these exact feelings? In fact, they developed deep, practical wisdom that can transform even the most challenging emotional states into opportunities for growth. In today's video, we're going to explore 12 powerful Stoic strategies that can help you conquer feelings of isolation, anxiety, and sadness. These strategies aren't just for philosophers. They're real, actionable tools you can use in your own life to build emotional resilience and discover peace, even in the toughest times. And the best part? They can be used no matter where you are in your journey, whether you're struggling with overwhelming emotions or just looking to fortify your mindset. Point one, move your body. Release the power within you. It's so tempting to shut down when you're feeling depressed or overwhelmed. You might want to curl up in bed, pull the covers over your head, and ignore the world around you. But here's where the Stoics had a powerful lesson. Your body holds an incredible amount of potential for healing. You see, when you feel anxious or down, your body reacts by tightening up, holding on to that stress and discomfort. But when you intentionally move your body, whether through exercise, dancing, or simply taking a walk, you activate your body's natural healing mechanisms. Exercise releases endorphins, your brain's natural feel-good chemicals, and helps to clear away the fog of anxiety and depression. Even just a simple walk in nature or stretching in the morning can change the way you feel. The Stoics believe that by aligning your body and mind, you gain better control over your emotions. So get up and move. Take control of your physical state and watch how it lifts your emotional state. Point two, learn to suffer with others. Find strength in shared struggles. One of the most isolating feelings when you're down is the belief that you're the only one struggling. But here's the thing. The Stoics were keenly aware that suffering is a universal part of life. Instead of seeing their struggles as a burden, they saw them as a way to connect with others. Imagine this. You're at your lowest point, but then you reach out to someone who is going through something similar. That shared experience, that mutual understanding, makes the burden feel lighter. The Stoics practiced empathy and encouraged people to embrace the idea that we are all in this together. Instead of isolating ourselves in our pain, we should seek out others and offer them our support, knowing that through this act, we also heal. When you allow yourself to be vulnerable and connect with others, you start to realize that you're not alone. You're part of a much larger community of people who are all navigating their own battles. And sometimes, just knowing that someone else is in it with you can be incredibly powerful. Point three, be a better friend to yourself. Stop the self-criticism. Have you ever been your own worst critic? When you're struggling emotionally, it's so easy to turn that internal voice into a harsh, judgmental one, telling you that you're not good enough, that you should be doing better. The Stoics understood how damaging this kind of self-criticism can be, which is why they stress the importance of treating yourself with compassion and care. Think about it. If a friend came to you feeling lonely or depressed, would you tell them they were weak or not trying hard enough? Of course not. You'd offer them understanding, encouragement, and support. Now, imagine offering that same level of kindness to yourself. Instead of belittling yourself for not being perfect, recognize that you're a human being and it's okay to be struggling. When you become your own ally rather than your own enemy, you allow yourself the space to grow and heal. Being a better friend to yourself means recognizing your worth, forgiving yourself for your mistakes, and giving yourself the same encouragement you'd give a loved one. Point four, be satisfied with the present. Find peace in the know. It's so easy to get caught up in the idea that happiness is something in the future, a promotion at work, a new relationship, or a grand vacation. But here's the truth. The Stoics believe that true happiness doesn't come from external circumstances. It comes from the relationship you have with the present moment. When you're focused too much on what's to come or fixated on what you don't have, you can't fully appreciate what's right in front of you. The Stoics encouraged us to cultivate gratitude for the present, to find joy in small, everyday moments. Whether it's savoring a cup of coffee, spending time with a friend, or simply enjoying the calmness of a quiet morning, the beauty of life is in the details. So, the next time you find yourself yearning for something more or wishing things are different, pause and appreciate the present moment. You have more than you think, and peace can be found right here, right now. Point 5. Focus on your own path. Stop comparing yourself to others in today's world of social media. It's easier than ever to compare ourselves to others. We scroll through pictures of other people's lives, and it's easy to fall into the trap of thinking that everyone else has it all figured out. But the Stoics had a powerful antidote to this. Focus on your own path. Marcus Aurelius, one of the greatest Stoic philosophers, said, "Don't waste time on what you can't control." That means stop comparing yourself to others. Your life is unique, and your journey is yours alone. When you focus on your own goals and progress, rather than measuring your success against someone else's, you gain clarity and peace of mind. Comparing yourself to others only creates dissatisfaction and anxiety. By focusing on your own growth, celebrating your own victories, and learning from your mistakes, you create a path that's authentic to you. Point 6. Take a view from above. Get perspective on your problems when you're in the thick of it. It's easy to feel like your problems are the end of the world. But the Stoics had a technique called the view from above, which helped them see their struggles from a different, more objective perspective. Imagine you're looking at your life from high above, like you're standing on a mountaintop or looking at a map of your journey. Suddenly, your problems seem smaller in the grand context of life. The things that seemed overwhelming now look like small hurdles on a much bigger path. This technique helps you put things into perspective. Yes, your feelings are valid, and yes, your struggles are real. But the Stoics knew that the universe is vast, and your problems, no matter how big they seem now, are just a small part of the larger story of your life. Taking this broader view helps you find peace and calm in the midst of chaos.